This is Siege over here at Full Throttle Powersports, located in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Today we're taking a look at one of our pre-owned units, this 2019 Suzuki KingQuad 500. It's got a rugged utility look with front and rear racks, full floorboards, winch, wheel kit, AM guards, and a wide stance for stability. Powered by a fuel-injected 493cc engine with selectable 2-wheel/4-wheel drive and independent suspension, it's smooth, capable, and ready for rough terrain. It's perfect for landowners, hunters, or anyone who needs a reliable ATV for hauling, towing, or trail riding. It's durable, easy to ride, and built to handle whatever you throw at it. Suzuki reliability included. Come check it out at Full Throttle Powersports in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Call us at 603-357-7999.